Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your next class here at Bryan University, Business 220, Principles of Management. This is going to be a very interesting and informative class digging into the world of professional management. This course is very writing intensive. My advice to you is to get organized, stay on track, and pay attention to your writing. Pay attention to spelling, pay attention to grammar, paragraphs, capitalization, all of that stuff that goes into a good, well-written college paper will be important in this class. There's lots of tools out there to help you. So research that, use the one that fits you, and you will be very successful in this course. As always, our classes here at Bryan consists of Learn-Its, which you need to keep up with every week. We'll have Yellow Dig posts every week, a new topic to discuss with your fellow classmates, comment on each other's posts, create your own. We'll also have assignments almost every week during this course. Make a plan, keep it on track, and you will be very successful in this course. Our live meetings will be held on Tuesdays at 8 a.m. or 6 p.m. Pacific time. Click on Web Meeting on the left side of your course to get the exact link, dates, and times of each of these meetings. I look forward to seeing you at our first meeting on Tuesday, February 28th. We will have a fun topic to discuss. We'll be talking about different areas of management, and your experiences are very important to the success of this class. I enjoy learning from your experiences, and we'll talk about all types of management issues. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you at our first live meeting.